Põe-te nos meus pés. Eu choro, grito, falo, mas não vês. Não, já tentei, mas deixa tentar outra vez. O que é que ela te fez que te mudou assim, que te fez esquecer?
Hello everybody, it's us again, Harvey and Nina. So we're gonna show you some new steps now. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so the beginning. We step on the right side.
Left for us.
Shoop. Boom. We lift the ladies and we step behind, crossing legs, crossing left legs. I will show you on the other side, you will see. Boom. We keep the lift, then we push her a little bit, like this, she can cross her legs. And turn her on the other side, okay? So this is all lifted, for the leading. Then we make a turn and we have a connection between her left leg and my right leg. Then with strong support we push her legs, okay? Then we make a turn and come back to get the connection, okay, with the count now. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Isto é carne, Põe-te nos meus pés. Eu choro, grito, falo, mas não vês. Não, já tentei, mas deixa tentar outra vez. O que é que ela te fez que te mudou assim, que te fez esquecer de mim? Enganei, falhei, mas deixa compensar. Enganei,